Welcome to our video on practical tips for lowering blood sugar quickly with Glucoberry. If you're struggling to manage your blood sugar levels, this video is for you. We will provide you with effective tips and tricks to help regulate your blood sugar and keep it in check. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to lower blood sugar is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help flush out excess sugars from your bloodstream. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Eating foods high in fiber can slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes. Include foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes in your diet to help regulate blood sugar levels. Regular exercise is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. Engaging in physical activity helps your body use insulin more effectively, which in turn helps lower blood sugar. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise daily. Keeping track of your carbohydrate intake is important for controlling blood sugar levels. Limiting the consumption of high-carb foods such as sugary drinks, white bread, and pastries can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Stick to complex carbs and monitor portion sizes. Glucoberry is a natural supplement that can aid in lowering blood sugar levels. It contains potent ingredients known for their blood sugar regulating properties. Consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating any new supplements into your routine. Incorporating these practical tips into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your blood sugar levels. Remember to stay hydrated, consume fiber-rich foods, prioritize physical activity, monitor your carbohydrate intake, and consider Glucoberry as a supplement. Take control of your blood sugar and live a healthier life with these simple yet effective strategies.